So
pinching.
holding in here and then moving the arm around. And you can also shake it like this, just gently, and then bring it to a full rotation.
So it's here and here.
So you're on the same spots?
Yep,
Same spot.
right there, that's it.
Bit more oomph.
I haven't got any oomph left.
Okay. The gas tank's a bit empty at the
That was very lovely, thank you.
Yeah, give it a go.
Oh, sorry, I was out of here, I was fucking running. I worried he was coming back.
Just in there.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh. Now if I went for a relaxation massage, this would be where it'd start, I reckon. Like, that's nice. That's very good.
That's it, get the chopsticks.
It's so good. But that's good. Like it feels,
Yeah.
it actually is relaxing my whole body.
And again, we would generally do this after we've done the hand and everything and stuff, but now let's get in. How did we have you before? Facing up, right? Let's get you facing down. There's certain moves that we can do here as well. So obviously we can get in and move that shoulder around like that. We can move the shoulder like this. We can also have the arm up like this. And in this case, we could bring the
Head up.
Yeah. We can also get in. Oh, nice click.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
You ladies have a pig out there.
You can even caress over that tension there.
You could. Preferably don't.
If it's too much, just use your little finger. All right, you guys want to have a go at those?
Go this way. Not the straight jacket.
Breathe into it.
That was a good click in the middle there.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Been a while.
Yeah.
That's lovely. Is Bill going to have a go yet?